Have you noticed that your muscles aren't as strong as they used to be? Perhaps climbing stairs feels more challenging, or carrying groceries leaves you feeling more fatigued. This is a normal part of aging, but the good news is that you can rebuild and maintain muscle even after 50. With the right combination of exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle habits, it's possible to regain strength, improve balance, and enhance overall vitality. Hello, I'm Dr. Harper, and today we're going to talk about how to rebuild muscle after 50. Muscle loss, also called sarcopenia, is a natural process that typically begins in our 40s and accelerates after age 50. Losing muscle mass can affect metabolism, mobility, and independence. However, targeted strategies can reverse or slow this process, helping you stay strong, agile, and confident. Why muscle loss happens after 50? Several factors contribute to muscle loss as we age. Hormonal changes, testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone levels decrease, reducing the body's ability to build and maintain muscle. Reduced physical activity. Many adults become less active with age, leading to muscle atrophy. Dietary changes. Protein intake may be insufficient and nutrient absorption decreases. Chronic inflammation. Low-grade inflammation can interfere with muscle repair and recovery. Understanding these factors helps us take proactive steps to counteract muscle loss and rebuild strength safely and effectively. Key principles to rebuild muscle after 50. 1. Prioritize strength training. Strength training is the most effective way to stimulate muscle growth at any age. Focus on resistance exercises that target major muscle groups, including squats and lunges for legs and glutes, push-ups and chest presses for upper body, rows and lat pull-downs for back, shoulder presses for shoulders and arms. For beginners, bodyweight exercises or resistance bands are excellent starting points. Gradually progress to free weights or machines as your strength improves. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing at least 48 hours of rest between sessions for recovery. 2. Include protein in every meal. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Seniors often need more protein than younger adults to stimulate muscle protein synthesis effectively. Good sources include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean beef, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, eggs and dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. A general guideline is to consume 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, but consult your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Spreading protein intake throughout the day maximizes muscle building potential. 3. Don't neglect cardiovascular exercise. While strength training is essential, cardiovascular exercise supports heart health, improves blood flow to muscles, and enhances endurance. Walking, cycling, swimming, or low-impact aerobics 3 to 5 times per week complements resistance training without compromising muscle recovery. 4. Prioritize recovery and sleep. Muscle rebuilding happens during rest, not just during workouts. Adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night, and recovery days are crucial for repair and growth. Incorporate stretching, foam rolling, and light movement on rest days to reduce soreness and maintain flexibility. 5. Support muscle health with key nutrients. Certain nutrients are especially important for seniors rebuilding muscle. Vitamin D and calcium support bone health and muscle function. Magnesium aids in muscle contraction and energy production. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and improve muscle synthesis. Antioxidants, vitamin C, and E protect muscles from oxidative stress. Consider including nutrient-rich foods in your diet or supplementing under the guidance of a healthcare provider. 6. Stay consistent and patient. Muscle rebuilding takes time, especially after 50. Consistency with workouts, proper nutrition, and rest is more important than intensity alone. Track your progress with simple measurements like strength improvements, energy levels, or how your clothes fit. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Sample weekly routine for muscle rebuilding. Monday, full body strength training, squats, push-ups, rows, shoulder presses. Tuesday, 30-minute brisk walk or cycling session. Wednesday, rest day with gentle stretching or yoga. Thursday, full body strength training with moderate weights. Friday, 30-minute swimming or low-impact cardio. Saturday, active recovery, walk in the park, light gardening. Sunday, rest and recovery. 7. Functional training for daily life. Functional exercises mimic everyday movements, improving strength, balance, and coordination. Examples include sit to stand from a chair, simulate standing from seated positions. Step-ups on a low platform simulates climbing stairs. Carrying grocery bags simulates daily lifting tasks. Incorporating functional training ensures that the strength you build in the gym translates into easier, safer movement in daily life. 8. Mind-muscle connection. Focus on proper form and engage the targeted muscles during each exercise. This mind-muscle connection enhances muscle activation, reduces injury risk, and improves results over time. Nutrition tips to maximize muscle growth. Eat a balanced diet with lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Include colorful fruits and vegetables for antioxidants and micronutrients. Hydrate adequately to support metabolism and muscle function. Consider a post-workout snack with protein and carbohydrates to support recovery. Sample muscle-building meals. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Snack, Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with quinoa, avocado, and mixed vegetables. Snack, handful of almonds or a protein smoothie. Dinner, baked salmon with sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Safety tips for seniors starting strength training. Start with light weights or resistance bands. Warm up before every session and cool down afterward. Focus on proper form rather than heavy lifting. Listen to your body. Avoid pushing through pain. Consult a healthcare professional if you have chronic conditions or previous injuries. Rebuilding muscle after 50 is not only possible, but essential for maintaining independence, mobility, and quality of life. By combining strength training, proper nutrition, adequate recovery, and mindful movement, seniors can regain strength, improve metabolism, and reduce the risk of falls or injuries. Small, consistent steps today can lead to remarkable improvements in strength, energy, and confidence. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating strength exercises into your routine. Focus on protein-rich meals and practice patience and consistency. Over time, you'll notice improved strength, better balance, and enhanced overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment sharing your favorite muscle-building exercise, and share it with someone who could benefit from rebuilding strength and vitality. Supporting each other makes the journey more rewarding and keeps everyone motivated. See you in the next video.